Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Donna, and for those of you not new, thank you so much for continuing to come back to my channel and support me and love on me. I appreciate every single one of you for clicking on my video. I know that you don't have to, so it warms my heart so very much that you do. Today I am unbagging my Ipsy. I am so excited because, y'all, I finally got the invite to the Ipsy Glam Plus. What? Finally. Alright, so for those of you unaware, Ipsy is a subscription service. It comes to you for $10 each month, right? Yes, $10 each month. I am a yearly subscriber, so I get my bags for a little bit less than that. In essence, getting one bag every single year for free. I'm not the biggest fan of this Ipsy bag because it is just sample size products typically, but occasionally you do get full size products. The one thing that I do love about my Ipsy products is I have never bought a sheet mask because I always get sheet masks in these. You can go onto the Ipsy website and profile yourself and let them know what kind of products that you want simply by adjusting your profile just a little bit here and there. I initially started out with a regular profile and then changed it to a more adventurous profile, but I still do like getting the skincare products, so I didn't take that out entirely. If you're interested in Ipsy, I do have a link down in my description box, and while we're on that topic, they also have a Glam Plus bag that you can get. That this $10 a month will come with a makeup bag every single time and 5 sample to full-size items. The Glam Plus comes with 5 full-size items and no bag, and it is $25 a month. You have to get on a wait list for it. I just recently was invited to the wait list, so I don't know how much longer I'll be waiting for that waitlisted item to come to fruition. But when you, unlike Boxy with Boxy Luxe, when you decide to get Glam Bag Plus, you can also get this one as well. So you can have 2 different bags from Ipsy, one being your plus and one being your regular. So let's just jump in here. I did kind of open this already so that we didn't have to do that on camera. I'm just going to go ahead and pull out what we got in here, and it looks like I got some sheet masks. So this is one of the reasons why I like Ipsy, is because I've never bought a sheet mask. And the reason why is because when I get sheet masks in Ipsy, I always get 2. So that's also a plus. So you always get 2 sheet masks instead of 1 when you get a sheet mask, which is nice because then instead of 4 or 5 items, you get 6. So there you go. And this one looks like it is a vegan approved broccoli plumping mask, which is fun. This is by Dr. Huang, I don't know, Beauty Lab. It is dermatologically tested, EWG certified, and naturally derived, 99.6%, which is very cool. And it's the solution for signs of aging, tired skin, and lack of vitality. I definitely have signs of aging and super tired skin, especially after the last couple weeks. So this will come in handy. That is the first one. The second one is this one. It is vegan approved red fruits brightening mask, and it has all the dermatologically tested and EWG certified, naturally derived, 99.6%. But it is the solution for uneven skin tone, dryness, and dullness, which is great because I have super dry skin, and that is what that one looks like. Super excited for these guys. The next thing is our bag. So this month's bag is this cute little lemon bag. It looks very summery. I enjoy this. I do not prefer bags that zip like an inch down or 3/4 inch down or 1/2 inch down on the bag because I find them difficult to actually shove things into or get things out of, but that's just me. This is the card that comes. Oh, this is super cute. It's got green inside of it. This really pretty mint green. The zipper pull is just a little ribbon that says Ipsy. So this is the card that comes in it, and recently they started putting information about what's in your bag on the card, which I super appreciate, but it doesn't have full-size prices, which I wish it had, because if we like a product that comes to us in a sample size, then it'd be nice to know what the full-size cost of it is. But I mean, it's not a big deal. It's not a it's not a deal breaker for me. This card says, now is the season, fresh spring beauty, and it says build. That's what the front looks like, and it says build your dream bag. Get any glam bag product you want every month on the 2nd, starting at 6 a.m. You'll have a chance to add on whatever deluxe samples or full-size products you'd like. Mark your calendar and create your ultimate beauty stash. I have taken advantage of their add-on system a couple times, and I prefer it. I like it a lot. The thing is, though, is they go super quick, so you need to make sure that you're on that website right when it pops open, because otherwise you may not get what you want. This last time there wasn't anything that I wanted to add on to my bag, so I didn't, but they do have great deals for you on full-size items. I got 2 Huda Beauty palettes for I think $10 a piece or $12 a piece maybe, and they retail for $27, or $29. They're the Obsessions palettes. I did get 2 of those for less than it would cost for 1, so I was super excited about that. I also got a Ofra highlight, full-size Ofra highlight for like $5. So the first thing I pull out of here is this. It is a Moods by Laura Sanchez. It looks like an eyeshadow. Yeah, this is an eyeshadow. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. I love it. And then you just slip this guy out of there, and this is what the box packaging looks like. That's also super cute. And then the color. Wow, that is a blue. That's pretty, though. I don't think I have a shade like that in my collection. So a nice pretty like aquamarine. It kind of goes with my hair. So my hair was done at one of my salons. A salon manager for my company just did it, and I dig it. There are several different colors in here. There's red, there's some purple, there's some orange, and some yellow. And pink. There's pink all along my hairline, and I shaved it right there. So like I feel a little rebel-esque. If you guys love it, let me know. If you hate it, let me know. I guess you probably would if you hated it anyways. Maybe you wouldn't, but let me know what you guys think about my hair. The next thing I pull out of this is this Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I think this was an item that went into every bag. Almost every bag I've been seeing has one of these in it, which I think is very cool. Maybe not every bag, but a lot of bags. I currently have the Tarte Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation on my face today, so this would have been nice to have to work with that. I don't think I used a primer with it though today, which is weird. Some days I forget to use a primer. How stupid is that? But I use a lot of moisturizer, so I'm interested in trying this. It does look like it is really full. Like, this is the container. It looks like it's full up to here, which is unheard of in these little tiny sample sizes. So praise to Tarte for, you know, being that company. The next thing I have in here is this Balm Cosmetics, the Balm Jour. It looks like a lipstick. Yeah, creamy lip stain. And this one is in the color Namaste. You can't really tell what's in it because this is the container. It is silver all the way around, and that paper is also all the way around, so there's nothing see-through about it. You can't tell what color it is. So let's look at the color. That's not a bad color. Sorry about the band-aid, guys. I tried to rip my fingernail off. If you watched my palette roulette video, you heard that already, but that's not a bad color. It kind of matches my fingernails, which is kind of pretty. I mean, if it's roughly the same color, I dig it. I wouldn't mind using it. Let's just swatch it and see. You know, it's kind of almost glossy. esque formula. It's a little sheer, but that's okay. I don't mind that. That is what the color looks like. I don't know if you guys can tell how sheer it is, but you can definitely see my skin through that, but that's not a bad color. I'm actually excited for that. The last thing in this bag is this. It is a Billion Dollar Brows fan brush. So I don't use fan brushes. I find them to be pretty not worth it. So I will probably put this into a giveaway, but this is a fan brush by Billion Dollar Brows. I'm not gonna see how soft it is or anything, because like I said, it'll probably go into a giveaway. So that is what I got in my Ipsy for the month. I don't know, I'm pretty happy with this Ipsy. I especially love the fact that I got the sheet masks, because I always love my sheet masks. So this says the Bombs, known for quick fix products that are easy on your wallet. This berry pink stained gloss hybrid coats lips in rich color, moisturizes them, and lasts for hours, which is nice. Then we have the two masks, the broccoli plumping mask and the red fruits brightening mask. Says tip: after cleansing, apply a mask and wait for 15 minutes. Then remove and pat the excess serum into your skin. They felt super, the packages felt super thick. So I have a feeling there's a lot of serum on those. Not only that, but I've watched, I don't know if you guys watch Alexandria Ryan. She's amazing. She is so funny. She's mostly unboxings from all different kinds of subscription services. She tried one on her face and said that it was so serumy. So the fan brush is the Billion Dollar Brows fan brush. It says this brand's known for high quality brow products, but their brush game is strong too. So this is a densely packed charcoal infused bristle antimicrobial brush, which is nice. I'm not a fan of Billion Dollar Brows, I have to be honest. We've gotten a couple brow products from them in both Boxy and Ipsy, and I don't prefer them. I hated the pencil that we got recently. The Laura Sanchez Moods eyeshadow in Alien Turquoise says using an eyeshadow brush sweet, gosh, I cannot talk today. Sweep all over the lids and blend. To intensify, apply using your finger. Use a damp angled eyeliner brush to line your upper and lower line or lash lines. That's pretty standard, right? This Colombian makeup artist was Nick's Face 2016 Beauty Vlogger of the Year. That's exciting. And her brand is all about bold color and self-expression. That's amazing. And then, of course, the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. My goodness, that's a mouthful. It says this brand new primer is loaded with jojoba and grapeseed extract to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated for 12 hours, and coconut to smooth your skin. I love that. After cleansing, smooth all over your face before applying foundation. Like I said, I use the Shape Tape hydrating foundation today. I actually kind of like it. I'm not a fan of the Shape Tape concealer, but I actually kind of like the hydrating foundation. So I'll be interested to try it with this and see how well it works. So this is my Ipsy Unbagging for the month of April. I actually got it the first week I was out, so the week I was in Chicago, so it came super early for me. It came like on the 10th or something like that. Let me know if you guys also got yours early. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, that you're considering giving it a big thumbs up. It really does help our channels out here. I also hope that you're considering subscribing to my channel. I do post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday typically. I kind of lost track of myself last week and didn't post anything because I didn't prepare well. I didn't really think I'd be out of town for 2 solid weeks, but really what it turned out to be, even though I was home for about a 40-hour period. I just didn't have time, and I apologize for that. But on a typical week, I am every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, super timely. This week I do plan on getting more videos out just because I didn't have one up last week, and I thank you guys for joining me today. I hope that you're having a wonderful week, and I hope that the rest of the week turns out amazing as well. And until next time, guys, bye.